Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Sarila, consulting homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Now we are going to discuss the contraindications. There are certain conditions which will fulfill, which have to be fulfilled for UA surgery. In the same manner, there are certain contraindications also for the surgery. So let us view it. One is having active pelvic infection. If you're someone who is experiencing PID, which is pelvic inflammatory disease, then UA is not for you. If you are right now pregnant and you are having fibroids, you cannot get UAE done. And if you are having any gynecological malignancies, what do you mean by malignancy? Malignancy are cancerous conditions. If you are experiencing cancerous conditions, then UAE is not an option. If you are having severe contrast allergy, if you have seen in the starting of the video, we have showed you that the particles, that the embolus, the blue color particles are shiny, they are radiant, right? Because there is some dye injected to it. So if you're allergic to that dye also, you might be experiencing severe anaphylactic reaction where you have to be hospitalized. So if you're having any allergies to that dye, you're not supposed to have this UAE dye. If you're having kidney impairment, that is if your GFR is very low. What is GFR? GFR is nothing but glomerular filtration rate. Because of any of the kidney conditions, it can be acute kidney disease, it can be chronic kidney disease, it can be hydronephrosis, it can be any sort of kidney related diseases where your GFR is very low, then UAE is not for you. And if you're desiring for future pregnancy, see, of course, UAE is a minimally invasive surgery and it does not involve in affecting the uterus. But if the procedure is not performed properly, it can harm the uterus, wherein the future pregnancy, cannot be expected. So it is a 50-50% chance. If you're getting it done in a proper hospital, and also if the surgery is 100% it has been done properly and the results are good, then the pregnancy can be predicted. But if you are getting it done in through unsophisticated people or people who are not experienced doing that operation, and then if the results are not good, then the future pregnancy cannot be predicted. And uncorrectable bleeding disorders, this is very important in performing UAE. Why? Because you're puncturing an artery over here. How are we puncturing? Why are we puncturing? We are going to discuss in the procedure of this UAE. So we are puncturing an artery here. If you are having some sort of coagulation disorders like delayed clotting time and bleeding time, then your blood will start flowing, and because you're puncturing the artery itself, the blood coming out will be a lot more than the venous puncture. So if you're having clotting disorders, then you're not supposed to get this UAE done. And then very large fibroids. Remember, of course, UAE is a minimally invasive procedure. But the problem with this is if you're experiencing large fibroids, this is only for moderate to small fibroids. If you're experiencing larger fibroids more than 12 centimeters, UAE is not the option for you. Multiple abdominal scars and endometrial cancer. If you're having cancerous conditions or malignancies, and also if you're having multiple abdominal scars and endometrial cancer, and about endometrial cancer we've already discussed it in the malignancy, but if you're experiencing multiple abdominal scars also, UAE is not the option for you. If you're someone who's experiencing fibroids, or if you're experiencing bulky uterus, which is thickened uterine layer, endometrial layer, or if you're experiencing endometriosis, adenomyosis, polycystic ovaries, dysmenorrhea, any of the female reproductive problems, here we have high success rates. So we have two types of consultation options here at Fidicus Homeopathy. One being the offline consultation or the in-person consultation option. If you're staying nearby the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can come and consult us in person. If you're staying very far from us, you can contact us online through audio consultation option or through video consultation option. After consultation, if there is any need for investigations, we will let you know, and if you are already done the investigations, you can share it with us. After all the process has been done, especially online clients, medicines will be delivered to your home. If you're staying in India, it can take 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take 3 to 5 business days. And if you're staying elsewhere across the globe, it can take 4 to 8 business days for our medicines to reach your doorstep. If you would like to get in touch with us, you can call us on this number, WhatsApp us, message us on this number. And if you would like to know more about Fidicus Homeopathy, you can check our website www.fidicus.com. If you're experiencing fibroids, or if you're experiencing any of the female reproductive organ diseases, why should you choose Fidicus Homeopathy? Because Fidicus Homeopathy stands for highest chance of health. Here we have 3 principles which we strictly follow. The first and foremost one, the main reason for doing this video, because we are having high success rates, and also the patients who come to us are asking a lot of different questions. So in order to educate them and also to educate people, we are doing these videos. We're having good success rate with this fibroids, bulky uterus. It can be endometriosis, it can be adenomyosis, especially polycystic ovaries, or also severe dysmenorrhea. Apart from that, the transparent treatment here at Fidicus, because there is no gray area between the patient and the doctor, the prognosis of the case will be clearly discussed to you. And the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. You can, experience that because we're doing these videos just because our patients have asked us different questions and we wanted to educate them, and also we have wanted to educate people. So the personal care here at Fidicus is good. We will be educating you on all your queries, and if you have any sort of doubts regarding your condition, if you want to choose cure, if you want to choose health, choose Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.